drive a two-wheel drive truck to this here good. I had no way to tell you. My phone was completely dead. I went to tell you.
saw that there cruising right along.
I went to tell you and I couldn't. So you got a head cold thing? My gosh. I had my hat, my gloves, it was awful.
I think they're meeting someone.
Should put a chain in here. Did you happen to see, you went all the way to Air Harbor, right, on Church? Did you happen to see a little blue, like a Toyota, something small? Anywhere? Because he and I were pushing cars, and then he said, I'm going to go for it and try it. I don't know if I'm going to make it or not, but if not, I'm just going to get out and walk because he lives over by the Woods of Terror.